Hi friends, welcome back to my channels. In this tutorials, I'm going to use to explain how to create a function blocks in Mitsubishi GX3 and how to create local labels and so let's start the and global labels. So let's start the video. First of all, simply clicks and go to FB and F UN functions and simply right clicks and add new data. Simply here you can choose your ladder functions if you use enables if you require the enable function then you can use, otherwise leave it simply. And here you can choose your programming language like laders and stfbd. So first of all I'm going to use only simple ladder. In the second video I will use stl language. So let's just start the video. Click okay. Now I'm going to play like first this is our the local labels, this is our the programs body. So first of all need to add a global labels like inputs output. So simply I'm going to add like input tags, input 01s, input 01s, data types. In data types my like bit data types and this is a varchar. Like if you here this is a character class. Here you have to choose your like input output whatever you I want to run. So simply I want to assign like input 0, this is like input type. So simply varchar inputs and I'm going to assign like second inputs like amg and first is like start amg and this is input 02 and I want to choose select like sim data registers simply and click inputs second and then this is our third inputs like stops. So data type is same and class also is same and I'm going to add like output types like pump stops bit types and class like I'm going to select like outputs and pump start on worker. I'm going to assign like output types and amg trace mg traced and this is our data types. Simply click like output types. So simply I'm going to create a simple logics on offs. So like I'm going to create a logic related to start stop push buttons and pump on pump off stop status. That's it. So simply clicks directly you can click like input one start signals and second is like your stops. So you want like stop signals, like when input is on, input 0 1 on, then outputs when directly enter your pump ons. Simply click out pump ons, and second is like when input 0 to stop your pump stop, and the third is LDI input, like when your emergency disables, like EMG pressed. Simply like when your input 0 is on, then and input 0 is, and the stop button will be and the stop buttons is false, and emergency is healthy, then your pump on's output will be triggers means true, and when you any of like input 0 stop and emergency in between is any signal drops, then your pump stops, and related signals will be high. So our related function clock logic complete. So I'm just going to compile these logics and check if there is any errors or not. Okay, there is no errors. So I'm going to call these functions in main program boarding. So simply click and drag and drops like this, and here you can assign say like when it on. This is your stop signals. This is your output EM10 like pump on status, put EM12. So I'm just going to compile rebuild. Just wait. Okay, that's fine. There is no error. So I'm going to start the simulation. Simply click and start simulation. Let's check our function blocks logic. It's working or not. Okay, let's check which parameters not supported from. Now it's fine. So let's start the video like this times. Emergency pressed. Like I'm going to enable emergency signals healthy, like and the signals. Pump stops. Just checking like input 0. Okay, I'm going to assign like when emergency is not healthy, the pump status. Okay, 1 minute. It's okay. Like I'm going to enable this bit and simply clicks online change modes. Just checking. Okay, that's good. Like now emergency is okay. Like emergency signals is on. Like if an emergency is stop, the motor will be stops. Emergency press and motor stopped. Okay, and when like emergency stop signals will be true, that time pump stop signals is enables and just 1 minute. Like input 0, input 3. Just checking input 0, input 0 2. This is our input 0. Just I'm checking. Pump stops means 3 and emergency stops means 2. Emergency 2 stops and this is our the emergency stop is okay and now I'm going to change online modes. Okay, emergency pressed. Just wait, emergency pressed. Just wait. Definitely. You can see like this this is the current status and now you can see like emergency signal says disables. That's why emergency pressed is enables and stop signals. Like when you start emergency stop signals activate is true. Like then stop for disables and pump stop is useful and pump on. Okay. and like when you're going to stop signals stops pressed, like I'm going to press after stop pump stops. When you're going to like disable the stop signals, pump is on. Thank you.